going on, guys? It's your boy Smokey. We just finished this hike. It's pretty cool. Small trail, small climb, bro. I hope all is well. Other than that, take it easy. So, huge hiking tips and tricks. Don't hike with vans. Maybe the Nike socks since you just did it, but never, ever with vans. Yo, we're here. It's lit. Yeah. Yeah. The legs, bro.
Oh heck no! Dude, there's a big ass hole there.
Oh really?
It only goes to your belly button.
The
No!
what? The belly button. Oh.
No! Fuck that. Nope. You go there.
Come on. Alright. I'm here with my tourist. I mean my adventure tourist. So tell me what we're about to do today.
We're about to go into a cave.
Really, nigga?
So, oh, that's it.
It's not that bad. Let's go in there. Oh.
So this is the cave. Oh, shit. Don't be that close. Gosh, I thought you were Sasquatch. It's not that bad. I think this. So I guess
Give me
this.
my $5. Give me my $5.
These nuts. Dude, I watch movies. So this shit was totally clickbait.
Oh, you gotta go in both of them.
Ah!
Can I get some help, please?
Hey, go to the other side.
Sit down, sit down.
This is a huge disappointment. I expected like some Indiana Jones and some rattlesnakes. No one cares. Gosh, this is so beautiful. Psych. No, it's not. Why? Who wants this?
Me.
Don't worry, girl. I got you. I got you a present. Or a surprise. Oh, now this is a vlogging camera. It's too heavy. So, Caitlin, this is me. So, what are your words on this? What? What? It's RTX 2080.
Yeah, I have one.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Do you have this RGB?
Yep, I have this too.
You know what that is?
PNY.
Dude, for your nerves and your eyebrows.
I just got some long nose hair.
Going beach shopping. Holy moly. GTX? What is this, a graphics card? Damn. You know what they say about big shoes?
Big socks.
Big socks. So now we're gonna get some camelbacks. And yeah, we just went in there, found no camelbacks, but got our stuff very good, Perry. Now we're gonna go home. We're gonna condense these files, learn how to edit with what we got, and yeah.